Hello everybody, today we are here and we are going to be participating in a trial. There is something that happened earlier today in the Gemrove community where a supposed dragon apparently unalived a snail twice. So, we are going to be sitting in on the jury today, and we are going to be kind of just participating. We're gonna be hanging out. It should be fun. Should be really funny, and I hope you enjoy. I think it's about to begin. The charges are murder in the first degree, so these are serious crimes. Ahem. We have no bailiff. Please rise. On the Court of Gemrove, criminal section is now in session. The Honorable Judge Me is presiding. You guys are totally sworn in already? Yes, I believe it. I do, and I do believe so. Right. Oh, yeah. Today we will determine the case of State of Gemrove versus Dragon Legend 5621 Snail Killer. I mean, he has it in his name. I mean, he's basically guilty, but... Prosecution, are you ready? Yes, Chef. This is so unserious. I love it so much. Defense, are you ready? No. That's okay. They don't care if you're ready or not. You guys totally have opening statements prepared. Yeah, totally, uh-huh. Not gonna be off the dome or anything. Totally, nope. That snail really likes you, Krita. It wants your strawberry. Alright, prosecution, you may proceed with your opening statement. I'm ready for the opening statement. Here goes. Alright, Gemrove jury, it's me, Eris. You all know me, you all know my salt and my heart. My salt? My salt. I know you're salt. Oh, now. You want the honey? It's my honey! Get away from me! Oh no! Oh, that is so funny. I am a village snail haver, and upon hearing that this man, snail killer, hath murdered one of our own, I was sad. So today I want to put this man in jail. Oh my god. Nice, I love that. Yeah, that's it. Nice. That was a nice speech. Really good speech. Woohoo! There it is! Woo! Where'd the snail go? I can't click the snail. Fantastic. Defense, you may proceed. Is Baser gonna be his lawyer? Lauter. Time to make your opening statement. Which you have prepared. Yep, 100%. I knew it. Of course you had it prepared, because why wouldn't you? You are an attorney, a defense attorney, a great one at that. It's too far, I can't click him. Come here. Give me a little snail. Ah! I can click it now. Snail. I think that this person is innocent. That's a great opening statement. Yeah, that's my opening speech. That's a really good opening speech. I gotta give it to you. Good speech. These silverfish noises. What do you mean? I love the silverfish noises. I'm gonna spam it now just because you said that. I'm sorry. They call Wyatt to the stand. You're sworn in. Do you swear that everything you say is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? So help you God. Can you tell me what you saw earlier today regarding the snail murder? Sorry, I can't help myself. Knowing that it's annoying Karina makes it 10 times funnier. I'm sorry, Karina. It's so funny. I was flying around Spawn and saw him using a minecart to kidnap the snail from AFK using the fishing rod. Now who is him? Please identify the man you saw. What? I don't want to be your lawyer. How dare you? To lift it high enough to get it in the air for it to fall back down with damage. Please, no. Don't do it. I didn't kill any snails. Oh, God. Uncle is the man you saw doing this in the court today. Yes. Oh my God, please point. I can't see the person over this area. But he's over there. Let the record state that the witnesses pointed to the accused. Is there anything else he saw that fateful hour, Uncle? It just brings him to tears. He can't bring himself to say it. Oh, okay, no, that was about it. Okay, cool, thank you. Fantastic, you may return to your seat, Uncle Howdy. Is that normally how... you normally get a cross-examination. Okay. Ah! What? Oh my God. There's no way, bro. Cross-examination time, everybody. Depends, is there a cross-examination for this witness? Say yes. Yes. Is that me? Yes. It's your job. Oh, okay. You got this. You're fully prepared. You are a certified barred attorney at law. You've got this. Dragon, what's the alibi? Look at my lawyer, dog. I'm going to jail. Oh my God. Just the nods. This is so funny. I got someone to dig through some files of yours. They have records and pictures of you doing this. Objection, evidence, speculation. Do you have evidence of this accusation? What, may I ask what fishing rod was I using when I so happened to do these horrible things? The Ender Dragon fishing rod. That's all I have to say. What? But I do not own an Ender Dragon fishing rod. Alright. Right, we can go back now. You were totally sworn in, right? No, but I do. Good enough for me. Okay, I think his lawyer might be in middle school. Okay, can you state your name for the court? Okay. Can you tell me what you saw earlier today regarding the snail murder? Snurder, if you may. The Snurder! Oh my god. There's been a Snurder! I saw firsthand the chat that read something like, I murdered a snail. Who's the accused to order the charges? Striking is accused of Snurder. First degree! Wow, that's pretty bad in a direct confession. I remember because I thought, lol, Snurder. Oh my goodness. Okay, can you show me the guy who you saw say this? Is he here in the court? Can't say for certain. Do we have logs? Interesting. Thank you, Kay. Logs not submitted into evidence. There's no evidence, only witnessed accounts. He claims, he as in Wyatt, claims that he used an Ender Dragon fishing rod, and he does not say he owns an Ender Dragon fishing rod. Okay, please tell the court where you were on the evening of the 15th. 7th. 15th. I beg your pardon, this is my cross. Where is he? Where's DK? I was dog sitting at my father's house. DK has taken over as the lawyer. We love the invisible lawyer. A likely story. And this dog, you were sitting. Pardon, I need to confer with my client. Alright, we will allow a brief recess. Visible and invisible lawyers, confer with your team. 5-minute recess. I don't like the sound of that. Doing something weird over there with their snails. I don't think I approve. That sounds extremely suspect. You guys snail breeding over there? What the heck is going on over there? I can see you! Through the chair, I can see you! What the heck is this? What the heck? All I can see is little pixels, and all I can hear are the screams and cries of snails. Oh my goodness. What the heck? They're all doing weird things with snails over there. What are you guys doing over there? Poor snail, look at him, he's trying to run for his life. He can't though, he's stuck, look at him, he's running. You guys are abusing the snails over there. Here we are holding a trial for a snurder, and you're over there abusing your snails? What's going on over there? All I can hear are their cries. Oh my goodness, now you guys are blocking my view so I can't see the snails. Look at him, he's running! He's running! He's trying to get away from you guys! Oh my god. Alright, trial is back in session. Almost. We're waiting for all parties to appear. If all court attendees would make their way back to their seats. What the heck is that? There's something behind you, Kay. Kay, there's something behind you. Kay, you gotta move out of the way. Oh my goodness. Kay! You're in danger, Kay! There's something behind you! There's something there. Oh god, no, look, there he is! Oh god! He's watching us. He's always watching. Oh god. What the heck? Look, he's appeared! He's not invisible anymore! The invisible liar turns visible. Why is my face so much? It's because I was spamming it, Kay. It's because I was spamming it. You may proceed whenever you're ready. I'm currently... Oh my god, okay. Oh god, this is so unserious. I love it. Okay, please describe to the court what you saw at the time in question. Boo. Objection, Your Honor. My client did not have proper legal representation. Somebody was talking in the chat about how they found a way to kill snails. My car was mentioned, and I object your objection, bro. Totally had a lawyer. He's taking his lawyering seriously. They said if you put it in a minecart and fly high, then drop it while attached to a fishing pole, it dies. And they said it's okay because they respawn. It's all good. He would totally win this case. Absolutely. So, you read in a chat about a way to kill a snail. Am I correct? A snurder. But how else would they know if it was a way unless they were literally doing it? That was not my question. Dang, DK. You going ham. Snurderer. Then it was said, there's one more here. You read in chat about a way to kill a snail. I don't know. She's not answering the question. You did not actually see my client commit the murder, did you? No, I already said that had you been present. Oof. Dang. Find them in contempt. Hostile witness. Permission to treat the witness as hostile. I figured that was not that hostile. Objection, Chef. Can I kill this guy? Yeah, sure. Denied. Objection, Your Honor. I am sleepy. There's no sleeping in court. Yours needs to be disbarred. If someone accused you of an act based solely on a chat log, without ever having seen you commit said act, how would that make you feel? Your Honor, as head of the Gembians, I believe Eris should have a little nap as a treat. I didn't accuse, I'm just a witness. I'm answering questions. Please answer my question. Your Honor. Hi, yes. Objection, badgering the witness. On what grounds? Indeed I do. It's total horse hockey. Whoa, aggression in the court! I'm gonna sustain the objection. Ask a new question. I think an order in the court is necessary at least once during this trial. You rescind your pleading of the 5th? Surprise witness! Whoa! Good luck, snurderer. Your Honor, I call Dragon to the stand. Whoa, bad call, bad call! The last thing you want to do is put the defendant up on the stand. That's like your last call that you want to do. Dragon, or Dragon Legend, or Snail Killer. We all said it. Dragon, I'm only going to ask a few questions. Snurderer! Whose snail was it, by the way? Dragon, do you have any sort of beef with TG? No, not at all. No beef, you said. He's got an angry face. Look at him. He's so angry. Do you have any sort of animosity towards snails? I love snails. No, I don't. Have you ever eaten escargot? Maybe. Oh my goodness, he's eating snails! That says it all! J'accuse! Dang, bro, you just sent your client to the grave. That's crazy. The snail is quivering in fear. Not the snail. I ask because let he who has eaten a snail cast the first shell, Dragon. Yes? Oh my god. The objection, this guy is speaking nonsense. He's speaking of metaphors. Ooh, snail. What were you doing at the time of the incident in question? I don't know, murdering snails probably. I was in Japan building a gazebo. Just building, like I always do. Just minding your own business, not killing snails. No snurder involved. Not the snurder, bro. What a coincidence you would say that, Kay. Members of the jury, my client is a young Grove member, a pillar of the community with no beef with the victim. Don't worry, guys, I'm cracking this case wide open. I implore you to look at the facts. Beat the snurderer with sticks and rocks, Your Honor. That's a bit aggressive. Oh, Judge. Oh, yeah, that's very nice. Very nice. If a hearsay statement versus a statement of the accused. I agree, they didn't provide any evidence. Where's the evidence? They haven't provided a lick of evidence. I fear this might be more closing statement. Indeed, Your Honor, because it is now raining and I can't get my suit wet. It's a very moody trial. This sets the atmosphere, for sure, for sure. Ooh, that's what I should do. I should build a courthouse. That sounds fun. I should build a courthouse the way that my courthouse looks. One that I went to all the time. Or I could build a courthouse based off the courthouse I go to now. The defense rests, Your Honor. The evidence speaks for itself. What is obviously a case of either mistaken identity or an intentional beef with my client in order to frame him. A fishing rod. The one he said he didn't own! Oh no. Prosecution, you have a cross-examination? Hello, snurderer. Not snurderer, objection. Let me get this right. The only thing we found out here was Dragonhead-esque Gemrove. Burn him at the stake! Oh my god, double objection. Not the double objection. Elaborate. Did you or did you not set your nickname to Snail Killer for several hours? Calling my client a snurderer and calling his unalignment. Set the name as a joke because I found a way to kill the snails, but I never did the deed. So you did find a way to kill snails. Interesting. Specifically snails, not just pets, but specifically snails. How coincidental. The snail walked off and fell and took fall damage, specifically my snail. So you not only are you a snurderer of someone else's snail, but you also murdered your own snail, injuring his snail. Shame, dishonor on you, dishonor on your family. He walked off on his own. Objection, that is not what my client said. Prosecution, do you have a response to this objection? Why weren't you supervising your snail? Not the snail abuse. I was using gem crates and recycling gems. Irresponsible. Now I saw you earlier with a fishing rod. Can you produce that for me? I plead the fifth. Oh no, why do you plead the fifth? Why? Is it because you said you did not own a particular fishing rod earlier? Your Honor, a moment to confer with my client. Very obviously, this guy doesn't want to show the weapon. You want to show the fishing rod or not, snurderer? I never did any snurder. Interesting. I rest. This is so funny. Guess who just now opened their Discord DMs? May I submit it? It was mentioned a moment ago that you had committed to this alleged snurder with a fishing pole. It was alleged that the snurder was committed with a fishing pole, yes? Jury members are gonna slip something into your DM's evidence that was submitted. You mean a fishing pole like this? Gasp! Ladies and gents of the jury, if it is so easy to acquire such a heinous weapon, then surely the culprit could be any one of us. It was an Ender Dragon fishing rod. Objection, it was an Ender Dragon fishing rod, as stated by our first witness. Not so easily obtained. What is your response? DK, this was addressed. Dragon, you were dismissed. Very nice. Alright, TG, please state your name. What's your name, boy? Boy. Return text. Or TG. Okay, sir, can you please tell me what went down earlier? Oh no. The defendant was just murdered. Oh god, what the heck? Oh, he's back. My snail was in his car at AFK, having fun, and all of a sudden he was attacked by a dragon using a fishing rod. Not just once, but twice. Your Honor, seeing as how my client died, he can no longer be accused. I move for an immediate mistrial. Your client is alive presently. Shh. It was an Ender Dragon fishing rod. An Ender Dragon fishing rod. No mistrial, we're ending this. Now, if the jury members, Dragon said that he did not own such a thing. in evidence that has fallen into my hands that I have submitted to you within Dragon's inventory is an Ender Dragon fishing rod! Oh my god! I'll hopefully post the image on screen for you guys to see. Your Honor, the defense head has not time to review this new evidence. Bummer! You have had plenty of time. Just now, so like, look it over. Burn him! Burn! Burn him at the stake! Gigi, thank you for your service, and I'm so sorry for the distress to your snail. I would like to not be burnt to a crisp. This jury should know what really happened based on this evidence! It's okay, me and my snail will have to overcome this trauma together. The Snalma. The Snurder Snalma. Dragon concealed the weapon he used to commit the murder multiple times. Jury, please send this man to jail. Okay, that's all. Thanks, Chef. Let it be known neither me nor my snail were present during the incident, but my snail is traumatized anyways. Kill, kill, kill! Throw tomatoes at him! Where are my snowballs? My client has just confessed to me and wishes for all of his belongings to be distributed throughout the server. Wait, what? When did I say that? Dragon, are you pleading guilty? I will let ensue take care of my plot and my pets. No, I'm not. The jury should decide. Hey, wait, that's me. Alright. Just jury deliberate. Death by fishing rod! We're done. Let me know when we reached a consensus. Based on the evidence, the only reason why I'm gonna say he's guilty is because of the fishing rod evidence. There was no evidence outside of this. I vote guilty. Death by snowball. Die! 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 Oh, sliding. Hold on. Die! Death! Death! You're guilty! Guilty! Alright, the jury's decided the defendant has been found guilty. Stone him! He's escaping! No! I sentence him to the maximum of 45 years in Snurder prison. Or death by snowball, whichever happens first. Oh my god, the murder weapon! He revealed it! People, I'm Gemrove. I'm happy to represent you. You're going to jail forever, bro. Guilty! He's guilty! Well, there's no jail yet, so I guess we go to 2G's basement. Alright, well, that was the Snurder trial. I hope you all enjoyed. I will see you all in the next episode. If you want to play Gemrove for yourself, it's mc-gemrove.gg. We are on Java 1.21.1. If you support us on the premium store, make sure you use code KIRAS in full caps at checkout for an extra 5% off. Have a good day. Bye-bye.